All right, so good morning all. Let's take a look at a few fundamentals for today. Um, today is Thursday, February 4th, 12. February 2023. So, the first major news that came out today was on JPY. Let me be refresher, which actually came out positive. That seems JPY is strong. Okay, so JPY is strong. Um, Then we have a few news on the Australian dollar unemployment rates, which actually came out negative. So JPY is strong, AUD is weak. Um, then we have the Euro news unemployment rate is already out, which is actually also weak. Okay, came out weak, but another news is coming up, which is the balance of trading by 10 a.m. Nigerian time. So we'll be watching out for that and see if euro will sustain its weakness. Then we have the dollar news in the evening, in the afternoon around 2:30, which is the PPI month over month of January and initial jobless claims. All right, um, initial jobless claims forecast previous of 196, forecast 200,000. If that was to come out, it means the dollar will be weak. And I actually also posted a few stuffs on the group. Okay, I posted a few stuffs on the group. First of all, one of them was about the Bank of New Zealand. They are stating that they will not increase interest rate because of the current situation in the country. Okay, so the Cyclone Gabriela there, and they were supposed to increase their interest rates, but they say no, they are not increasing. So that said, for me, NZD is weak for if they're not going to increase their interest rate. So NZD might be seeing your NZD chart supposed to sell. Then I also posted about China trying to collaborate and willing to share ultra large scale markets, complete industrial system and advanced technologies with Central Asia countries, seeking to deepen pragmatic cooperation, achieve mutual benefits, and moving results in Central Asia. So for me, JPY is strong. And I quickly posted the issues with the debt limits. That is what is weakening the dollar right now. So I already posted all of this on the group for us to enter, and I singled out the USD JPY sell. Okay, so fundamentally, we already know what we should be looking across board. So since dollar is weak, I might be looking. The dollar is first of all, you just check the dollar index. Technically, we already have some very good sell going on already. Okay, already have some very good sell ongoing. I'm trying to add my linear regression. Length should be 200 just to increase the width. So on M15, I think it actually was at the top of the linear regression yesterday. So I expected a sell-off and from yesterday, and it's already dropping currently. So for me, my bias currently for today, dollar is weak, and I expect a buy for the Japanese yen. So USD JPY is already dropping. It's also at the top of our channel. Okay, so I want to sell down to around 1320, and the stop loss can be around 34.7, which is just above the quarter number 134.5. So just give it 20 pips. 20 piece allowance for the trade to run. Okay, our GGP JPY from yesterday for me it's been ranging, but I might still want to stay on the sell side, all right, because it has not hit our purported take profits. Okay, so it's ranging currently, but I will not want to buy. I want to still stay on the sell side from yesterday. I think Euro GBP hit our take profits yesterday. Take profits for a buy yesterday based on the news outcomes was 0.889. For me, I might still want to stay on the buy side till it gets to the top of this channel. Okay, so I would rather stick with for gold. Those of us who love to trade gold, yes, the gold for me we'll do a little retracement today, but I will still don't want to buy gold because of the fact that the CME group still said that a lot of persons are still, their contracts are still on the sell side. I wish I can get that news now. Okay, shoplifting. Okay, unplugged. Okay, so for me, let me see if I can just get a quick news on that gold CME. Okay, I think here it is. Gold futures, a deeper drop appears unlikely. That is what it says, but if you read the full news, you see that open interest in gold futures market extended the decline for yet another section on Wednesday, but this time by around 2.6K contract, according to the preliminary readings from CME Group. So volume followed suit and resumed the downtrend, now by around 43.3K contracts. So where is the marked drop in gold prices was on the back of shrinking open interest and volume, suggesting that the sustained decline seemed not favored in the very near term. On the downside, there's a long contention around the 18,000 level mark per ounce throw for the time being. So my outlook for gold, okay, even the dollar seemed to be weak, you see, it's not actually buying with so much pressure. It's still a sell. So I won't stay on the sidelines and rather stick with my other dollar pairs. Okay, I'll stick with my GG sell. Possibly, if the news now comes out negative for the euro, if the news comes out negative for the euro, the incoming news, we already have a drop in unemployment rate, which came out 3.6. But if the coming balance of trade, even though it's a medium-term trade, now comes out negative, we might be expecting a drop finally on Euro JPY. So that was my outlook for today. If you have any pair you want us to take a look at, you can just draw our attention to it and we'll take a quick look. But for now, I think I'll stop the recording. Let's see. We can continue our discussions.